In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix a frustrating issue where your container layout or styling unexpectedly breaks, like a missing box shadow or a misaligned grid. While we're looking at a loop grid in this specific example, this exact layout bug can happen to any container or design block across your site. You've carefully set up your design, but when you look at the live preview, it's acting strange. The box shadow isn't appearing. The cards don't look quite right, and the styling completely fails to match what you just built in the editor. To figure this out, we need to jump directly into the template for that specific layout. At first glance, looking at the structure panel, everything seems completely normal. You have your main parent container, your image, and your title stacked cleanly inside. To start fixing this, let's select the featured image element and remove its link. Next, select the post title and remove its link as well. Hit Save. Now, when we preview it again, the box shadow appears. But why is this happening? Let's click on that main parent container and inspect the layout settings on the left-hand panel. If you scroll down and open the Additional Options drop-down, take a look at the HTML tag. It's currently set to an A link. Notice the warning Elementor gives us right below it. Don't add links to elements nested in this container. It will break the layout. Because our inner elements, like the text or the image, already contain their own links, adding another link to the entire parent container creates a nested link conflict. Web browsers simply don't know how to handle a link inside of another link, which breaks the HTML structure and strips out your styling. To fix this, simply delete the URL from that main parent container's link field and ensure the HTML tag isn't forcing a link, or you can remove the links from the child elements.